What's up guys, Azim here. So Samsung S20 series has been leaking in smooth flow and has been almost leaked fully, but there are some of the specs left behind to leak. Other than that, every feature is just official now. Even hands-on video has been leaked. So Ishan Agarwal tweeted out this chart of S20 series showing every rumored and leaked specs. Some of them are mostly 100% official now. You can see we have talked about almost every feature in previous videos described in this image except the front camera. We know S20 series is gonna have 120Hz of refresh rate. We know it's gonna have 12GB LPDDR5 RAM. We know the camera setup design, even the battery capacity. So the front camera setup on S20 Ultra, that is going to be the higher end variant of S20 series, will have a 40 megapixel camera sensor, and this is amazing. But according to a tweet from Samsung, this sensor will have really small size, like it will have 0.7 microns of size. But as we know, bigger the sensor will be, more light it will capture. So this ISOCELL GH1 sensor also has a higher probability of using binning technology, as Samsung will be using 4-in-1 pixel binning process that will provide pixel size of 1.4 microns. That will result in photos of 10 megapixels. Hope so Samsung will be doing some ultra things with their front camera on S20 Ultra to provide as much better quality as possible. Now second leak that is also circulating around is use of Exynos and Snapdragon chipsets in S20 series. So according to some sources, Samsung will be using Exynos 990 in Asia and Europe, while rest of world will get Snapdragon 865 chipset. This is not confirmed yet, but we are sure that this thing will also get leaked before the launch event. And then we have an image from Ishan Agarwal that gives idea of Samsung S20 series camera design, how it's gonna look thanks to him for this render. We have seen this same setup in hands-on video too, but here it is detailed, and we can see the two lenses that are primary and secondary, and then we have a periscope lens, and next there is a flashlight, and below it this could be the TOF sensor, or maybe this could also be macro lens. Not sure about that, but thanks to Ishan again for this sharp detailed image of camera array. And at the bottom it is mentioned 100x, that means there will be 100 times zoom capability in that periscope lens of S20 series. Well, that thing has been also confirmed already. Other than that, we have those same specs that were leaked, like battery of S20 will be 4000 milliamps, S20 Plus will have 4500 milliamps, while the Ultra model will be packing up massive 5000 milliamps of battery. All of these three models will have AMOLED displays with wide Quad HD Plus resolution, and also with support of 8K video recording in rear cameras at 30 fps. But Ultra model will have 108 megapixel sensor that those two base models will not have, and every model will have Android 10 with One UI 2.0. So that were new leaks, but in case if I get some more news, I will let you know instantly guys. Till that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.